I want to point out that the majority party has told me and told my staff that the bill that they have offered today, the bill that we're going to be voting on, does not affect the north coast of California. Now, my effort with this amendment is merely to trust but verify. And to oppose this amendment really calls into question what is the underlying motivation of this bill. Does it do what they claim and not affect this region of our ocean? Again, one of only 4 major upwellings in the world's oceans. This is an area that feeds and promotes the fisheries and the marine life, not only in my area, but in all the ocean. And the idea that we would put it at any kind of risk, and those of you who know the area know how rough the water is, know how rocky the shores are. If there was an oil spill there, it would never be cleaned up. And the area is seismically active. To drill in that area with the threat of earthquakes, you're looking at a situation that would make the Gulf of Mexico disaster pale in comparison. It's not too much to ask that we merely verify what it is the majority party says that they are not doing with this bill. And the idea that this amendment would be opposed is quite startling to me. I believe that this is something that everyone can get behind, and to say that the bill doesn't do this and then refuse to take the amendment calls into question the motive of the bill.